Okay guys, today a different kind of tutorial. Did you know that you can actually make clips and shorts out of your videos that you already published? So, we go to our content obviously, you're gonna go to, you pick the which one video you want to make first, details, clips and shorts, you create right side clip or short, for example short. Then you, for it's easier to, I usually show timeline so you can see where you are. Basically, you watch through your video. Let's say you want clip to start here. You press start here and end here. Oh, yeah, it's the range. It's too long. Okay, so obviously he has to be max 3 minutes. You click preview. Then you can see like how long it will be. You're gonna just go to create draft, and then from draft it's basically like you uploading a regular video. Well guys, hope this tutorial helped you. See you next video. Bye.